Welcome back to the channel, Crypto Tro. I am Crypto Tro, bringing you the latest and the greatest in cryptocurrencies. And today, man, I'm going to give you an update on Harmony One. We know Chainlink just went live on Harmony One, and that is very bullish information in my opinion. Just because if you don't know, Chainlink gives you live price feeds, and that's very crucial for a lot of dApps on different blockchains. So a lot of dApps rely on Chainlink to give those up-to-date price feeds, and this is going to be major moving forward for Harmony One blockchain, but not only just Harmony One, but all the dApps built on top of the blockchain as well. So we're going to get into that, man. But before we do, make sure follow me on Twitter right now. Stop what you're doing. Pull out your phone. Pull out your, if you're on the laptop or the computer, follow me on Twitter, Tro_crypto, and also like and subscribe to, like this video, subscribe to the page, hit that notification button, get all the new latest updates. With me, I try to provide as much value as possible. So just tune in. You can make some money if you just watch the videos, man. So, and also I want to say this is not financial advice. This is just my personal journey and what I personally invest in. I give thesis on why I invest in those projects, but always do your own research. Never rely on nobody on Twitter, on YouTube, whatever the case may be. Do your own research and make sure you know why you're investing in a project and have, some type of concrete evidence or concrete thesis to why you are putting your money in that specific project. So that's my little spiel. I got to get it. But let's get straight into it today, man. Harmony One. So we see right now Harmony One is ranked 64 out of the top 100. We see it's moved down a couple of places, man, but I'm not really worried about it because we see the growth in the blockchain and we see the network growth. And I'm gonna show you, a chart showing the network growth later on, but we know the blockchain is continuing to grow. So I'm not really worried about the rank and, about the short-term price action. We in cryptos. It's a new asset class, so I expect price to fluctuate, volatile on both ends, up or down. So, but we see right now the price is currently at 17 cents, up 2% on the day. And then we see the market cap is at $1.9 billion, man, up 2%. And the fully diluted market cap is at $2.2 billion, up 2%. And then the volume on the day is at 82 million, well, 83 million right now, up 28% on the day. And then we just go down, like I say, man, I always zoom out. Even on the one day, we see if you would have got in earlier today, you would could at least made 2%. But I mean, that's not really much. But I always say, man, zoom out, just zoom out and pay attention. So we see the year chart. If you were to get into Harmony, this or last year around this time, you would have made tremendous gains, man. Harmony was less than a penny. And that's actually when I got in. I got in Harmony around probably October-ish of last year, maybe November. But if you would have got in, you would have made some good gains. But I still think it's a lot of gains to come. That's why I say always zoom out. Of course, we see those dips. We see it's currently on a dip right now from the all-time high. Right at 34 cents, right at that 34 cent or 35 cent marker. But like I say, we down from the all-time high at least 50%, man. So that's the dip. You know what I'm saying? They always say buy the dip. Well, this is the dip that you want to buy. And this is not financial advice. It might drop even lower, but like I said, it's doing some major things and the network is continuing to grow, man. So stay tuned and, really just pay attention to those charts and see and just zoom out and be patient. So Harmony One, we're to the good stuff, man. So Harmony One, this is their tweet. They said Chainlink price feeds are now live on the Harmony One's protocol mainnet. Developers can use these decentralized price oracles to build a variety of DeFi apps, including money markets, stablecoins, payment solutions, futures contracts, and more. So just continuing to go down as Harmony begins rapid development of its DeFi ecosystem, it is key to provide developers with the most mature and demand infrastructure for building applications, most notably price oracles. So now Harmony developers can use price feeds that source data from numerous data aggregators, resulting in fees that reflect a volume weighted average across all exchanges with minimal discrepancies. By combining Harmony and Chainlink, developers can build highly scalable, low-cost DeFi apps with strong security and reliability guarantees on the data inputs used in their execution. So this is major, man. Like I said, not only for Harmony, but also for the dApps on there. We know if the dApps on the blockchain succeed, that just adds more value to the blockchain. So we got dApps like FuzzFi, which is pretty much the crypto FanDuel, in my personal opinion. This will use Chainlink. Also, you got Tranquil, and it's a money market on Harmony One's blockchain. Now they have the ability to use Chainlink. And we know when money markets come to blockchains, we know that in the past, if the past serves us, we know money markets really bring a lot to blockchains, and Chainlink is necessary if you want a money market on your blockchain. And also, I can see, in the future, a stable coin coming on the blockchain as well. So this is very, very, very bullish in my eyes. Like I say, Chainlink is necessary, in my opinion, for blockchains to succeed, man, just because this is where you get that live data from, and Chainlink is the #1 oracle in the crypto space, man. So I believe, going forward, this is going to be super, super bullish. Now, I told you, Harmony is experiencing major network adoption. That's what you got to look for, man. Look for network adoption. I don't care about the day-to-day price. All of that other stuff is, it's cool to, it's cool to add onto it. But are people actually using the blockchain? And we can see as of today, we have over 500,000 wallets on the blockchain. So we see more and more people continue to come into Harmony's ecosystem, creating wallets and just being a holder of Harmony One. And that's major. Like I said, you want to know about the network adoption. Day-to-day price action doesn't matter in crypto because it's still so early and it's going to be volatile. You got to understand, every asset class that was new, it was volatile in the beginning. When we seen internet stocks with Amazon was once very volatile in the beginning. And now if you would have stayed in Amazon since the beginning, you would pretty much have built a lot of wealth over that period of time. So don't worry about the volatility, the day-to-day price action. Look at, the major key things. And one of the major key things is network adoption. So we see a lot of people are adopting Harmony One's blockchain as of right now. And I believe soon we will hit that $1 million wallet mark. But that's on in the future as more and more dApps are developed on the blockchain. But just combining, the Chainlink announcement, I believe now more developers will feel better about building on Harmony just because they now have access to the Chainlink. So that's going to be major, man. I'm telling you, this news is going to create so much value for the Harmony One's blockchain. And that's just my opinion. But like I said, we see the blockchain growing and we see they are taking the necessary steps to give the best information to the developers and the best resources, the best resources to the developers. So that's my, take on that. Like I said, I believe it's still super early, but Harmony One continues to grow. And it's one of my favorite crypto projects out there. And they have some of the best dApps, if I must say. Of course, DeFi Kingdoms is probably the best play to earn game out there right now, in just my personal opinion. So I believe Harmony One will continue to grow as long as they continue to put out good resources for their developers. So that's my video for today, man. Crypto Tro. Make sure you follow me on Twitter and also subscribe to the YouTube channel. We're going to continue to put out good information, good content, and I want you to grow with the channel as well. So I appreciate everybody for tuning in today. Crypto Tro, I'm out of here.